We got a very good support from HOMAG Asia, starting from the beginning when we start the planning, because they know that our requirements, that we are doing batch one size, so they recommend the machines that we require for us and help us plan the whole program. We specialize in kitchen cabinets, and there are also high-end quality materials that we focus to give customers differences and a variety of choices. We mainly focus on high-end customers, premium luxury houses, villas, and condominiums. We produce by batch one size, meaning each customer is different. They have their customized kitchen, their desirements, so we follow their desires and we make their kitchen as they wish. From 2003, once we started the company, we mostly buy handmade and then only hand tools. Over the years, then we started to buy from HOMAG machines as single machines, and so it becomes more semi-automatic. And then over the years, started feeling that it wasn't enough.
The HOMAG plane storage system with saw and CNC processing offers the perfect solution for NewGio's requirements. The panel dividing saw and the CNC portal processing center are simultaneously supplied with workpieces from the storage system. The saw is fed from behind at the same time as the panel is being sawn at the front, not only saving time, but also ensuring flowing processes.
After we invested in HOMAG machines, the things that we can see is the quality and the quantity has increased tremendously. And also the cost savings, because before the process will take longer, but with the HOMAG programs and machines, the processing time probably take less than a day, then we can start production. Before it might take about 7 to 8 days. So that's why we can increase the profits and lower down our cost.
The fitting and power of the edge banding machine is freely configurable and suited for the exact banding of all edge types. The return transports a wide range of parts, is high performance and has great workpiece handling. NewGio not only produces in Bangkok for the Thai market, but for the entire Asian market.
Yeah, we got very good support. We visited the factories and get knowledge from the factories, saying, understanding what is good for us, not just like selling, but HOMAG give us a solution which is suitable for us and for our present and also for future. And then during the trainings and during the after-sales services, HOMAG has a very good team locally. Then they can come in right away, and they have full supports over here and over abroad. So we got very good support from HOMAG. Thanks to HOMAG.
NewGio, high quality kitchens and cabinets, made in Thailand, made with HOMAG.